Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore unconventional wisdom for a more fulfilling life. I'm your name, and today, we've got something special for you, Life Hacks 2.0. These aren't your ordinary tips. We're diving into unconventional wisdom that might just change the way you navigate your daily challenges. But before we jump in, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our unique content. Now, let's get started with Life Hacks 2.0, Unconventional Wisdom. Life is a journey filled with challenges, and as we navigate its twists and turns, having a repertoire of unconventional life hacks can make the ride more enjoyable and rewarding. In this exploration of Life Hacks 2.0, we delve into unconventional wisdom that offers a unique perspective on common dilemmas. These hacks, ranging from time management to mindset shifts, aim to inspire creativity and productivity in our day-to-day life. 2-minute rule with a twist. The classic 2-minute rule suggests that if a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Let's flip the script a bit. Instead of focusing on quick wins, consider breaking down larger tasks into bite-sized 2-minute activities. By adopting this inverse approach, you transform overwhelming tasks into manageable chunks. This hack not only enhances productivity, but also encourages a sense of accomplishment as you tick off these mini milestones throughout the day. Reverse alarm clock. Unlike traditional alarms that wake us up, the reverse alarm clock sets an arrival time to craft a healthier sleep routine. Instead of dictating a wake-up time, determine when you need to arrive at your destination or start your day, then work backward to set a bedtime. This approach prioritizes sleep hygiene, emphasizing the crucial hours of rest required for overall well-being. By flipping the focus, the reverse alarm clock becomes a simple yet effective hack for cultivating a mindful and rejuvenating sleep routine. No screen hour. In an era dominated by screens, it's crucial to establish boundaries for healthier living. Consider implementing a no-screen hour before bedtime. This intentional break from electronic devices allows your mind to unwind and prepares your body for a restful night's sleep. Use this time for activities such as reading a physical book, journaling, or practicing meditation. By consciously disconnecting, you create a space for relaxation and mental rejuvenation, contributing to improved sleep quality. Mindful commuting. Reimagine your commute as a chance for mindfulness rather than stress. Shift from road rage to deep breathing, turning traffic into an opportunity for personal growth. Swap clock watching for educational podcasts, transforming wasted time into a reservoir of knowledge. Instead of dwelling on negatives, reflect on the positives of your day, cultivating gratitude during the journey. By changing your mindset, the once mundane commute becomes a space for self-reflection and tranquility. Embrace this time as an invaluable period for mental well-being and personal development. With a mindful approach, your daily commute can transcend its negative connotations, becoming a conduit for positivity and inner peace amidst the hustle and bustle of life. 3-word journal. Simplify journaling with brevity, 3 words per entry. This minimalist approach captures daily essence swiftly, distilling emotions, experiences, and reflections into concise snapshots. This time-efficient method fosters creativity within simplicity, encouraging a streamlined yet effective journaling process. Each entry becomes a potent reflection of the day's core, an artful arrangement of carefully chosen words. This brevity challenge transforms journaling into a quick, impactful ritual, allowing you to effortlessly record life's nuances. Embrace the power of 3-word entries, a dynamic blend of efficiency and creativity to streamline your reflective practice and unlock the essence of each day. Random acts of kindness reminder. Injecting positivity into your daily routine can significantly impact your overall well-being. Set a daily reminder on your phone to perform a random act of kindness. Whether it's complimenting a stranger, paying for someone's coffee, or leaving an uplifting note, these small gestures can create a ripple effect of positivity. Beyond brightening someone else's day, engaging in acts of kindness has been shown to boost the giver's mood and create a sense of connection with others in the community. Pomodoro for procrastination. Procrastination is a common challenge, and traditional productivity techniques, like the Pomodoro method, have proven effective. However, for a unique twist, try the Pomodoro technique in reverse. Instead of focusing for 25 minutes and taking a 5-minute break, work intensely for just 5 minutes, then reward yourself with a longer 25-minute break. This unconventional approach can make daunting tasks seem less overwhelming by creating a sense of urgency followed by extended periods of rest. Experiment with this modified Pomodoro technique to discover if it enhances your productivity and time management skills. Decision dice. Decision fatigue is a real phenomenon, especially in a world filled with countless choices. To inject an element of fun and simplicity into decision-making, consider using a decision dice. Assign options to a 6-sided die and let chance dictate your choice. This unconventional approach takes the pressure off minor decisions, turning them into a game. By relinquishing control to the dice, you may find that decision-making becomes less daunting and more enjoyable. While not suitable for every choice, this hack can be particularly useful for breaking the cycle of overthinking and indecision. Digital Declutter Day. Our digital lives can become cluttered with emails, files, and apps, contributing to a sense of overwhelm and distraction. Designate one day each month as a Digital Declutter Day. Use this time to unsubscribe from unnecessary emails, organize your digital files, and delete unused apps. A cleaner digital space can lead to improved focus, reduced stress, and a more streamlined online experience. By regularly decluttering your digital environment, you create a virtual space that mirrors the benefits of a tidy physical space, a clearer mind, and increased efficiency. Gratitude Photo Album. Practicing gratitude is a well-established key to happiness. Take this practice a step further by creating a visual gratitude journal, a gratitude photo album. Capture one photo each day of something you're grateful for, whether it's a beautiful sunset, a moment with loved ones, or a simple pleasure. Compile these photos into an album that serves as a visual reminder of the positive aspects of your life. During challenging times, flipping through your gratitude photo album can provide a powerful perspective shift, reinforcing gratitude as a daily habit. Life hacks go beyond the conventional, offering innovative and sometimes unconventional solutions to everyday challenges. Life Hacks 2.0 Unconventional Wisdom provides a collection of ideas designed to inspire creativity, boost productivity, and foster a fulfilling life. Experiment with these hacks, tailor them to your preferences, and discover the unique approaches that resonate with you on your journey toward a more intentional and satisfying life. And that wraps up another episode. We hope you enjoyed exploring these unconventional life hacks with us today. If you found any of these tips intriguing or have your own unconventional wisdom to share, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you discovered something new, and, of course, subscribe for more content that challenges the status quo. Remember, life is an adventure, and sometimes it's the unconventional path that leads to the most rewarding experiences. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the extraordinary in the ordinary.